Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax Jacksonville, and today we're on Sea Ray's 19 SPX. This is a great boat, super roomy for a 19-footer. Most people are going to compare this with a 20 or 21-footer just because of the amount of room that's in it. If you start back on the back left of the boat, you can't kind of see it, but it's hanging off the back there. There's a 4-step swim ladder back there. The importance of a 4-step versus a 3-step is that it goes further down in the water. It's much easier to get on the boat when you get done skiing, swimming, something like that. Nice swim platform all the way across the back there. That swim ladder, you can see when it folds up, is recessed down in there, so it's not a trip hazard back in the back. This particular boat, they make the 19 SPX in an outboard or in a stern drive. Obviously, this is the stern drive. Has the 4.5 liter Mercruiser engine in it. This Mercruiser engine was built from the ground up as a marine engine. This isn't a car engine that they put marine parts on. Built from the ground up, and also there's a 5-year warranty on this engine because it was meant to run in saltwater. It was meant for marine use. You can also see back in the back of the boat right here too, we've got a nice big storage space. And that's one thing for a 19-foot boat this boat has a lot of. Close that back down. Back there, obviously, you see you've got a nice sun pad back here on the back, but you've also got storage under that seat, storage under this seat, or that is also can be used as a cooler because it does have a drain in it. We've got storage down in the floor. That's a really big ski locker there, big enough to fit a wakeboard in. And I didn't show it to you, but back here in the back port side of the boat, there's also a storage locker right there. So a ton of room for a 19-foot boat. Let's take a look at the captain's chair right here. This is a fantastic design. First off, if you're just sitting around socializing or whatever, this seat's going to turn backwards so that everybody can kind of face each other. Or it faces forward, obviously. If you like to sit down or stand up and drive, you scoot that seat back. You've got a tilt steering wheel. You can sit on top of this flip-up thigh-rise bolster, or we can put it down if you want to get yourself a little bit more behind the steering wheel. Rockford Fosgate stereo in here, top of the line sound system in it. Ergonomics with this boat is fantastic. My hand rests right on the steering wheel. My right hand rests right on the throttle. Look, and my arm falls right on the armrest right there. Everything's where it's supposed to be. Sea Ray's great with the design of their boats. When we look over at the port side here, same thing. Beautiful captain's chair. Look at the finish work on this. And if you need somebody watching your skier or your tubers, look, that spins backwards right there too, so you've got a great seat for the spotter. Got a little place on the left-hand side that also has a drain in it, so that can be used as a cooler. Or if you just need a place to put your cell phone, your wallet, that kind of stuff, that fits in there nicely. You've also got storage compartment underneath the port side console. Nice walkthrough, wide walkthrough right here. You don't have to turn sideways to get through here, so that's nice and wide. Now, here's one place that really makes the Sea Ray 19 SPX difference from a lot of our competitors. You'll see that the width really carries forward on this boat, so it's much wider up at the front instead of coming to a sharp point. Well, look what that does for you. I'm 6'3". I've got tons of room to stretch my legs out. Again, my arms rest right on the armrest where it's supposed to be. There's plenty of room for a person on the port side right there. Somebody else could sit in the middle right there. Typically on a boat, 19-foot boat like this, everybody's knees are knocking against each other, but you can see on this boat, there's plenty of room. This front seat cushion also comes up, so if you want to jump on and off the front of the boat, you've got nice non-skid to jump off the front of the boat there. This is the Sea Ray 19 SPX at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Give me a call and let's take a look today.